Yo, we are back with another video. It's a few hours later, and I'm in Asian session with USD JPY that I restarted trading. I used to trade Forex way before futures. I started with Forex, so and then I passed to futures. So I know this market a bit, not that much, but I know it a little bit. So and I started to trade it again because it's really nice market, and sometimes it's easier than futures. I'm not saying that it's easier than futures, but sometimes it is because sometimes it's slower. So like me that I'm managing this new strategy is perfect because I can relax and see my setup create in minutes, but slower than futures in future markets like S&P and Nasdaq. But it's still good, and yeah, sometimes it's still a lot difficult, but easier than S&P and the Nasdaq. And as we can see, we have New York PM highs and lows, while we have only the New York AM low. The high got swept out by the PM section. Then we have London high, and if I'm not wrong, London low, yes, got swept out by New York AM. So as you can see here, the market is really more, we can say soft, more easier in a way. It's not easy, but I don't know how to explain it. That it swept out London low, then it went high. It swept out New York AM high and went low. Yes, Nasdaq and S&P do the same, but they are more confusing. They are trying to make you fail more, if I can say it like that. And this market is more like pure. It's more, it lets you understand what she wants to do easier. You can still understand S&P and Nasdaq, but this is a bit easier. It still sometimes pisses you off because you can't understand, but yeah, I hopefully I say all this, and I hope hopefully end up with a good trade or no trades, rather than ending up with a loss, because then it will be quite a bit funny and embarrassing. But hopefully we can do something. And as you can see, we are bullish on the hourly, and on the 4 hours also we are bullish. So I'm looking for longs here. We use uh, we came down to this hourly gap and we are pushing up, but we enter it in New York PM session, when I was looking at the S&P and the Nasdaq, so I wasn't able to enter that trade, or in a way to look at that. But now I'm hoping that market sweeps out something and makes me understand which direction it wants to go, really, because yes, we are bullish, but still maybe I can be wrong, or markets maybe want to go down, or it want just to consolidate, because last time I did this, it just consolidated in if you see, it just consolidated here. Only this was a big move, and I took it, fortunately. But rather than this, there was nothing in the Asian session. And London session, that usually it's a bit slower on USD JPY, went really fast. So I will see what happens. Yo, so I entered this short right here because market is not going up, so I think it's going to go down here, sweep this liquidity, maybe even this liquidity right here, the New York PM low, and then wants to go high. But I wanted to take this short real quick, so I'm gonna only take my take profit right here because with this prop firm I can't close my position the 50%, because if I could I will close 50% right here and put my stop loss on break even, and then close the rest of the 50% right here. But with this prop firm I can't, so I wouldn't do that. So I will close my entire trade right here to not risk money more than I should be risking. And but I will look honestly if it comes down here or it doesn't, just to make sure that I was right or not. And once is going up, I will see if I see my setup creating, and if I see my setup creating, then I'm gonna take a long. Or if I don't see any setup creating, then I think I will be done for the day, because if this trade hits, I don't want to risk more. I would like to get some sleep because it's currently it's 2 201. Wait, it's 201, and I would like to sleep. So I will see if it hits and if it creates another position or not. Yo, so the trade hit the take profit. So now I'm looking for anything that shows me sign that market wants to go up. But I don't think I will take any trade now. I think I will wait, because now is the market is in a position where it kind of wants to hit the New York AM low, but at the same time, sorry, I mean the New York PM low, but at the same time it's showing rejection from here, and saw a really good rejection. We have a gap right here, but I don't know if the market will be able to stand it, because as we can see this gap right here, the market break it twice before going down. So that doesn't make me feel really good about the gap that is there. I don't think even if it works, I don't think it will work well as it was this gap right here where I took the trade. that even this market broke it, but if you guys see here, there was an order block right here. The market went into it and then went back. I wasn't able to take a trade right here because I had a few issues with my prop firm. I was trying to enter, but it didn't enter, as you can see right here. I was entering and exiting in immediately, so I was having trouble with that. But then I got here, entered here, so I put my stop loss in the imbalance area. But yeah, so I don't think that even if this gap works, I don't think it will work that well. And honestly, I don't want to risk that much. I want to go slowly because I want this prop firm to last and to make it to the funded account. And so yeah, because this is a two-step account, so I have this prop firm to do, then I have another prop firm, and then I get the real funded account. So for today is everything. I will see you guys in the next video with futures, or yeah, with futures. So yeah, until then, peace.